If your soul is empty, you must surely know what you make you can't take, but what you say can be remembered. And the items that you're holding, they have to be surrendered. Well, they might look as you were, but it only slows you down, low down. Don't bring valuables, they'll only slow you down. Go ahead and honey, and get the children inside. Pull to the curtains, shoot out the blinds. I don't see that the child's young eyes. You see the side of these grown-ups follow. What's the point in teaching them? Any of all this is right. Well, I don't cheat and I don't lie, but I do drink and I might die. And I'm trying hard to see the light. It just don't seem to be shining tonight, Lord. You might look as you were, but it only slows you down, Lord. Don't bring valuables, they'll only slow you down. Now you give a man some money, once you start acting funny, driving big cars whilst neglecting his honey. He neglects all he had. He neglects most of the good for the bad, and then cries like a baby. Why's my life seem so sad? Well, it might have seemed casual, but it only slows you down, Lord. Don't bring valuables, they'll only slow you down. But Jesus says, I'm a best behaved, and ain't no turning back. Well, I'm foot in a grave, and I'm this side of paradise. I'm waiting at the gate, and I'm this side of paradise. And he's shaking in his head, and he's sorry, boy, but you can't come in. And it's all on account of this extra weight, Lord. You might look as you were, but it only slows you down, Lord. Don't bring valuables, they'll only slow you down.